All right, what we got here? We got a Meta Ray-Ban glasses from Wayfair. So this is a new thing and I'm so excited to show you guys. And let's unbox this one and see what we're going to get inside the box. First of all, there are a couple of things, which is obviously if you're using an iPhone or Android, make sure you download an app. It's called Meta View and it is Wayfair. So obviously it's a collaboration between Meta as well as Ray-Ban. I got a clear one. I didn't want it changeable because I want to get my prescription glasses later with this one. So I want to use it as sort of a daily use. So let's open it and see what we're going to get inside this one and then try to connect it and see what initial impression. Okay, so before we proceed opening all the box, make sure you go in Play Store and then, or if you're in an App Store, which is an iPhone. So let's install this one first. So while this is getting installed, we can unbox this one. Obviously, you have a pull tab. So pull the tab. That's the first impression. So I love this one. Listen, call, live stream. There has been a lot of hype about obviously Meta glasses, that it is cool. Has a 12 megapixel camera built in on it. It has an AI built in on it as well. So that's going to be a Meta AI. It looks very simple. Get a couple of things right here. Let's slide this out. So this is the cloth to wipe your glasses. What else you have here? So Meta View app. You can download the app by scanning with the QR code as well. So getting started. So if you look at the back, a lot of touch controls. There are 12 different microphones. That's what I've heard. There's a touchpad. Speakers built in as well, and notification LED. And if you have any question with Meta, obviously you can connect with them or contact them. Obviously, where you are using anything with the lithium ion, so that means you will be carrying a battery and a running computer on your face every single time. It could be a splash proof, but I like this case the way they actually presented here. So this is nice. So when you open it, it just opens like that. So this is a cool case. Keep it on the side. We can unbox this one. So when you open it, this is the first the light it will pop out with. So you can see it is a magnetic. This is exactly like if you have ever owned any Ray-Ban, obviously glasses, they're nice and clean leather, as normal as you're going to get in Ray-Ban. Let's pull this one out, and that's where the charging prong is. That means your glasses will have a charging spot on the corner. So that's where you put it in and it actually charges it. And I've seen a teardown video of this one as well. There's a battery 2200 or something. Comment down below if you know what it is. But what I can tell you is that's where the 12 megapixel camera is, and that's where the LED is well. And there's a LED indication on the side as well. So it's showing it's actually working at the same time. There's a power button right here. If you look at it here, there's a little switch here. And matter of fact, so this is not that heavy. So I was expecting it's going to be very heavy. I was expecting it's going to like obviously have some weight on it, but it doesn't actually have weight on it. If you have a look here, and if I want to pop that back in the charge, obviously I close that, put it in, and once you slide it in, then there will be a point of contact. Close the lid and it will start charging at the same time. So that's how the charging process works. Obviously, make sure you carry this one all the time. And if you want to charge, the USB Type-C is the way to go. So let me set up this account and I'll come back shortly. Okay, the pairing process was pretty simple. You need to go through the app, make sure you connect whatever required. So in terms of if you go to settings and have a look, if you have anything regarding the communication, so that means whatever you want to connect with WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger, or no normal phone call as well, make sure you connect it as well. So it will ask to pay for the Bluetooth and make sure it gets connected. Regarding the Wi-Fi, you can give a Wi-Fi support for this device as well. That means every single time when you come home and connect with the Wi-Fi, put this one straight on the charge. It will start automatically downloading all the required photos that you have automatically on your phone as well. Okay, so that's the normal thickness, and that's the Meta Ray-Ban glasses thickness as well. So it is pretty thick, but it's not thick as you could expect, because there's a computer built in on it. There's a lot of things, and I've just tested it and it's awesome. It's actually really, really good. And regarding the prescription glasses, if I want to use the same prescription glasses, I don't think I will be able to use it, but I will give it a try, and then the glasses will pop out and then you can swap it with the new glasses like this. So push it from inside and the glasses pops out. If I want to do the same thing on this one, I can push it from inside and the glasses will pop out as well. Let me give it a try if I could actually swap it. I don't think it will actually fit, but I'll get them my prescription glasses later. Based on my size, I'll be able to get a different changing one as well. So this is how you actually pop the glasses in and pop it out as well at the same time. It clicks back in, and the sound quality is exceptionally good. And then obviously I'm going to post another video as well, which is the test video of this Meta glasses. And there's AI built in, just to let you know as well. So you're going to say, hey Meta, and then it start doing a lot of things. So that's what, if you use WhatsApp, you know there will be an AI automatically in it, and then based on that one, it will give you a real-time translation at the same time as well. So this is the Meta glasses review. I'm very happy with it. I believe everyone, if you can, you should give it a try with the Meta glasses. You won't regret it. But overall, my first initial impression is I'm very happy with this glass. It's going to be awesome now. So, and this is the review of Meta glasses. This is a cool one. And by the way guys, if you like this style video, guys, smash that like button, consider subscribing, and be happy, stay safe. This is GNSX6 signing out. Peace.